So I want to show how to set up the sky using the procedural sky instead of the HDR picture. I missed this before, so it's very simple actually. So let me disable my sky dome, and I'm gonna look for sky, and you want to use the BP sky sphere. That's the one that comes with Unreal when you create a new map. And you will notice that it looks dark. And the reason for that is because in the previous chapter I set up my physical lighting values. So the sky is way too dark compared to the rest of the environment. It's not emitting enough light to even show up. So this shows how huge of a range you get when you use physical values. Because this stuff here looks super bright, and this one is pitch black, not even a single pixel in there. So to set this up is actually pretty simple. The first thing you have to do is disable this option, colors determined by sun position, because you're gonna set those colors by hand. So you go to overall color, and actually let me enable the HDR visualization. So remember that so you see there is some brightness in there, like tiny, and we want to bring the nit on the blue part of the sky around 14,000. So we can do that by just increasing the value. So 14,000, or roughly. And now, yeah, notice how the horizon looks horrible. And that's because by default the value is 3, and you want to set this to 1. So there you go. It should match this other sky in terms of brightness, roughly. It's not too different. You see, they're in the ballpark. So that's what's awesome about this physical lighting workflow. You can really use logic to set this up and not just gut feeling.